agree with me that one of the word adulting will make you say the most is busy, like busy. Busy has now become a status symbol in our society, a romanticized notion, a word that appears in every adult conversation. That got me thinking, what vaccine should we use to cure this deadly disease called busyness in our society? Should we use the vaccine of more money or the vaccine of more time? Keep on watching to find out my opinion on this. Hi fam, welcome back to Time Out with B. My name is Blessing Oluwafunmilayo and I am so many things. I am not just creating videos on YouTube. I also have examinations I need to write. I have a 9-to-5 job. I have a coaching business and all of those things. So most of the time, the 24 hours are not enough for me to do everything I have to get done. Like I have tons and tons of things to do. Is it personal development? I have books I need to read. So what can I do to cure myself of this busyness mentality? The first thing that pops up to your mind is, I need more money. If I have money, I would have sourced all of the things I want to do. Oh, I need more time. Like 24 hours is barely enough. But darling, every other person has 24 hours and that 24 hours is not getting increased anytime soon. Time is fixed. So the whole notion of time management thing is not it does not sit well with me, because you really cannot manage time. Time is fixed. You can only manage resources that varies. When faced with growth challenge or business challenge, when you're asking somebody, oh, that business stuff you said you wanted to do, why haven't you done it? You'll be hearing something like, oh, I don't have money, or oh, I don't have time, like I'm so busy by the time I come back from work, or by the time I finish putting the children to sleep, or all of these things. There's always one excuse or the other of busyness, quote and unquote. And you realize that fine, if I have more money, I'll be able to outsource more. If I have more money, I will be able to manage my time more, because I will just reduce the things I do personally. I will just delegate more. But now that I do not have more money, and now that I cannot increase the number of hours I have in a day, the only thing I can take advantage of is leverage. And you will be asking, what is leverage? Let us open the dictionary. If you are using leverage in the context of a verb as a verb, it means to use something to maximum advantage. So how does leverage solve our busyness? It means that there are a lot of applications and a lot of things that have been designed to make human life more efficient, run more smoothly. What is the essence of all of this app people develop every single day? It's just to make human life more efficient. It's just to make our life easier. The reason they invented airplane is because you cannot drive from here to Canada. It's not possible. Most of the time we are carrying gadgets that we are not leveraging on. We have opportunities that we are not leveraging on. Things you have around you, are you leveraging on them? You might not have the fair advantage other people have. Okay, yeah, that is the book I'm trying to say. Unfair Advantage. I would advise you to actually read that book. Guys, before I go, let me just divert before we go on. I'm thinking about starting a book review or something on this channel. Like I drop a video every weekend about a book I read and I just do a review on it. Tell me if it's a good idea, if I should go ahead with it, and if you're going to watch it. Yeah, okay, moving on. So those are the things you have to leverage on the things around you. Grab your paper and grab your pen, and a quiz is going to pop up on this screen right now, and actually score yourself. Don't worry if I'm going to take this quiz away any minute, because if you're subscribed to my mailing list, I'm going to send you the PDF and I'm going to give you other explanation and tell you all about the leverage your unfair advantage. So if you are not subscribed to my mailing list, the link is below, and if you downloaded my intentional living planner, you automatically subscribe. But if you've not subscribed to my mailing list, it's the intentional living planner in the description box. Just click on the link and you would automatically subscribe. Grade yourself 1 to 5 on each of these leverages. Number 1, are you leveraging on network relationship? There are some relationships in our life that are network. You know them through the social media, or you went for one forum and you know someone, and some of us, we are in the group with millionaires, but we cannot just leverage on it. Nobody is saying it should be a pester, just that there are wisdom, there are wise ways we can leverage on all of these advantages, all of these relationship networks that we have in our life. Okay, moving on. Are you leveraging on business partnerships? Are you leveraging on business groups? We are in so many WhatsApp groups. That WhatsApp group thing. God. We are in so many WhatsApp groups, but we are not leveraging on the group. We are not using the group to full potential. Some people have met lifesavers through just group. So are we leveraging social media attention? I'm here talking, opening my mouth because I'm speaking to myself. It's paining me. When I was creating this content, the way it was eating me, like, seriously, blessing, you need to do better. Okay, moving on. All the applications you have on your phone, all the so many applications where you can just put timer, where you can just quickly put notes. Recently I just learned that instead of typing on social media every minute, it's a thing I can just click on my voice recorder and record everything, and it will type it out, so I don't have to go through the stress of typing on everybody's post. Just on my voice recorder, record it, to type it out, and I can type a whole sentence or a whole notebook on the person's post, and the person will feel loved. And so there are so many apps that have been developed to make our life easy. Are you leveraging on my planners, the intentional living planner, the weekly planner, and the financial planner? Are you leveraging on it? Are you using it to manage your finance and manage your productivity in 2021? Don't just download it. Leverage on all of these things. Some of us, we have sticky notes, but we are not leveraging on it. We'll still write notes inside one small paper, and by the time we are sweeping, the paper have gone, or Junior have picked the paper and turned it to airplane. So are we leveraging on these little things? We are crying that we need more time and more this and more that, but what we need actually is to start leveraging on all of these resources that are around us. It may not be much, but when we start leveraging and maximizing the advantage, we will start living life to the fullest. This business thing, it's not something sweet, it's not something we should be proud of. It's like, now if you are not busy, you are useless with your life. And so sometimes, even if you are not busy, you just say, I'm busy, I'm busy. And that word have a way that it registers in our brain that we cannot just share the time, because we already said we are busy. Busy is a myth. Like, busy is not something we should be proud of anymore, because it's eating into our mental health. To get the best out of your life, start leveraging on all the opportunities around you, and then you will realize that you necessarily don't need more time, because we can't even get more time, or more money. Yeah, we need more money. Like, we definitely need more money, but you can't do anything about it now that you don't have. Because even if you have more money, it will get to a time that it no longer satisfies you. It no longer creates time for you on your calendar. So you need to start leveraging things around you at source. If you cannot do everything by yourself, ask for help. I think I mentioned a video that the secret to success, the second secret to success by Steve Jobs, is asking. So leverage on opportunities, leverage on people around you, leverage on network, leverage on the application on your phone, as simple as that. Leverage on that friend that you met on social media. Leverage, just keep leveraging on these things, and before you know it, we would all be cured of the disease called busyness. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch till the end, sometimes I usually have the doubt that I don't think people will watch this video to the end. So if you watch this video to the end, please just leave a heart emoji in the comment section. Your beautiful content coming your way. So hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other episode. I've just seen some of my videos right here and right here. You would enjoy them, so click on it and watch them. See you in my other video. Keep leveraging on all the resources around you, and I will see you at the top. Bye.